In an unprecedented and shocking incident, a US-built F-35B Lightning II stealth fighter has reportedly gone overboard from the HMS Queen Elizabeth, the United Kingdom's flagship aircraft carrier. While the exact details remain under investigation, preliminary reports suggest that the jet was lost during a routine training exercise or flight operations in challenging sea conditions, highlighting the extreme risks associated with carrier-based aviation and the complexities of operating fifth-generation aircraft from a moving deck in open waters. The F-35B is a short takeoff and vertical landing STOVL variant of the F-35, specifically designed to operate from aircraft carriers with smaller decks like the Queen Elizabeth. It is one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world, with stealth capabilities, supersonic speeds, advanced sensors, and highly integrated avionics. Each aircraft is valued at over $120 million, making any loss not only a financial blow but also a significant operational setback. The vertical landing capability allows the F-35B to land on carriers without a traditional catapult system. But this comes with its own challenges. Pilots must precisely manage engine thrust, lift, and balance while compensating for the ship's pitch, roll, and yaw in real time. Even a small miscalculation or sudden gust of wind can have catastrophic consequences. Operating on the HMS Queen Elizabeth presents unique challenges. Unlike larger U.S. supercarriers, the Queen Elizabeth has a smaller flight deck and operates with a ski jump ramp, requiring pilots to carefully coordinate takeoff trajectories and landing approaches. Deck operations are fast-paced and complex, involving the movement of other aircraft, crew, and support vehicles. On top of that, sea conditions, from rough waves to sudden crosswinds, can shift the deck unpredictably, increasing the difficulty of landing an advanced aircraft like the F-35B. The loss of the aircraft overboard underscores how even the most highly trained pilots and cutting-edge machines are vulnerable to nature's unpredictability. The strategic implications of this incident are significant. Aircraft carriers like HMS Queen Elizabeth rely on their air wings to project power, maintain air superiority, and carry out precision strikes. The loss of a single F-35B temporarily reduces the operational capacity of the carrier's air wing and may delay certain training or mission schedules. Moreover, as the F-35B is a critical component of both UK and Allied maritime operations, this incident draws attention to the logistical challenges of replacing or repairing highly advanced aircraft at sea. Beyond the operational and financial impact, this incident has broader implications for naval aviation safety and technology. It highlights the extreme risks inherent in STOVL operations and the need for robust safety protocols, rapid response procedures, and contingency planning for aircraft lost overboard. Salvage operations in open water are highly complex and time-consuming, and the chances of recovering an F-35B intact are slim, particularly in deep ocean or high-current environments. Additionally, the loss of sensitive technology could raise security concerns, as the F-35B carries classified avionics, radar systems, and stealth features. Ensuring that such technology does not fall into adversarial hands is a top priority for both the UK Ministry of Defence and its partners. Human factors also play a critical role in this incident. Carrier pilots operate under extreme physical and mental stress, managing complex systems while responding to unpredictable maritime conditions. Deck crews work in high-pressure environments, coordinating dozens of aircraft movements while mitigating hazards. Even with rigorous training, fatigue, weather, and equipment anomalies can combine to create moments of risk. Incidents like this serve as stark reminders of the dangerous and unforgiving environment of modern naval aviation, where high-tech machinery meets the raw power of the ocean. This incident will likely prompt a thorough investigation by the Royal Navy, focusing on pilot actions, deck procedures, weather conditions, equipment functionality, and potential human or mechanical errors. Lessons learned from the loss of an F-35B overboard could influence training, flight deck protocols, and emergency response measures for carrier operations worldwide. Other naval forces operating F-35Bs or similar aircraft will be closely watching the outcome, as it could shape policies for risk mitigation, aircraft handling, and carrier readiness. In conclusion, the F-35B going overboard from HMS Queen Elizabeth is both a technological and operational shockwave. It underscores the immense risks of operating fifth-generation aircraft at sea, highlights the critical importance of safety procedures and contingency planning, and serves as a reminder that even the most advanced aircraft and carriers are vulnerable to the forces of nature and human error. Beyond the immediate financial and operational losses, the incident is a lesson for all navies. The combination of high-tech aviation and the open sea demands respect, precision, and constant vigilance to maintain readiness and effectiveness in modern maritime operations.